Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have this card package for one of my IG friends. Alright, so the first thing that I'm pulling out is some dual forms. Next, we have these full cover nail tips. Again, we have another pack of full cover nail tips. They're just a little longer than the last one I showed. Alright, so now I'm pulling out two polygels. The first one is called Cosmo Black and the other one's called Stellar Red. I actually no longer do polygel nails, but if anyone would like to see a video on some polygel nails, let me know down below. So the next two items that I'm pulling out is these two acrylics. One of them is called Show Off and the other one is called Peaky Promise. Next item I'm showing is Makart's very own acrylic brush. Alright, so next to go along with the two polygels is a polygel brush. You have the brush side and then the picker on the other end. Alright, so finally the last two items are some gel polish duos. The first one that I'm showing, I actually already have this one in my collection. Alright, now guys, we're going to move on towards swatching the two gel polishes. The first one I'm going in is called Yellow. This next one is called Tea. Right, so for these two powder gels, I'm going to be swatching them on a lint-free right instead of wasting a swatch stick. Right, so here how the two colors look. Next, we're going to get right into swatching the two acrylics, and I am going to be using the brush that came with it. So first, we're going in with Pinky Promise. So I want you guys to keep in mind that my cart first started off with powder gels and like gel polishes. These acrylics are rather brand new to their brand, so they're not going to be like A1 top notch, because I did notice with the show off acrylic, it was a little bit of marbling, but so yeah, back to what I was saying, it was a little bit of marbling for the show off acrylic, but once you kept swiping down and use a little bit wetter bead, the marbling will go away. So aside from the acrylics, let's talk about this brush. You know, I wouldn't recommend it. It's not worth it. No. When I first opened it up and felt the brush, it didn't feel like it was 100% cleansing, which I pretty much sure it's not, because by looking at how I applied the acrylic on, and then after picking up one bead, it was a lot of acrylic stuck inside the brush. So my overall opinion about the acrylics and the brush, straight up no. The acrylics, I would say yes. Right now that I'm done with the acrylics, I'm going to be showing y'all what the brush look like. And yeah, it's definitely a no. Alright guys, so here's all the colors that I swatched and showed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!